Hi guys, here's Belsee. Today I will unbox review Tesla style screw special for Maxima. Nissan Maxima 2016 to 2022 years. Okay, let me unbox review. Here is the shipping box. And then you can check whether you need with good condition. This kind of unique. And this special Nissan part. Okay, let me show honey set first. You can check this special harness and this canvas decoder box. Maxima canvas decoder, and connect this this connection. Let me check the harness. You can check this radio antenna. This radio antenna connector and this power plug. And this AUX left and right, and other connection for reverse wire, and this is CAN TX, this CAN IX, and this video input. Okay. This GPS antenna. And there are two USB connection. Connect on back of head unit. This is original USB adapter. And this 4G antenna. This is the Wi-Fi antenna. This connects the camera input adapter, camera adapter. This is reverse and back wire. Okay. And this adapter is AUX input left and right, and video cable is connected on back of head unit. And this audio, this subwoofer connection, and This is RCA type front and rear, left and right for external amplifier and subwoofer. Okay. Okay, you can check this back overhead unit. This is radio antenna, this is USB, this is GPS, this is Wi-Fi, and those connection for USB amplifier and other connection. This is factory harness connection, and this heat. Okay, let me connect the connection back overhead unit. Connect power to voltage. Okay, head unit will be start. Okay, let me find something to fit. Okay, this is Android 11 system, and you can check. Sorry. Okay, you can check this front head unit. Tesla style screw, and this home style. All apps are here, and let me check the settings. their homepage to style. This is another US style. Okay. Audio, video, system. It's Android settings. But navigation, you can check the Android 11 system. Built in the Wi-Fi. Android 11 system. Okay. Oh, it's here. This is Car Auto for wireless Apple Carplay and Android Auto. Okay. And built in the YouTube with Google Maps and Play Store. Okay, that's all. Thank you.